Darling Lexi. Sana all, darling Lexi. You are mute again. Come. Go, go, go. Backward. Move a little bit there. Alright. Wow. Thank you. Thank you for bringing the ball back. No, not darling Lexi. Oh, what is it? Ah, her translation. Oh, okay. Why are you calling me darling? You're aesthetic girl. Oops.
Oops.
Thank you. Why are you calling me darling? He said it was the translator from your comment, Lexi. Oops! Sapi sayang. What is sayang? Wow! Very good. Thank you. Catch it. Wow. Ah, very nice. Very good. Oy. Very, very good. Good. Ang samang ka. Catch it, my love. Oh, yeah. How fast can Kiara run? Okay, I will. Look. Kiara, go. Not so fast. She's a little bit chubby. Google Translate not always correct. Yes, correct. You are right, Miss Rati. Oops. Wow. Go, my love. Oops. Oh my God, the lemon tree. Alright. Again. Okay. I think you're tired. Where is Loy? Loy is doing his own thing. Loy is doing his own thing. Yeah. He's not happy playing with the ball. Only Kiara loves to play ball. Yeah. No, Louis is just looking. Louis, here. Go.